Hello once again traders, welcome back to Trade Like Skills channel. Have you been wondering how I'm making these profits each and every day whenever I'm taking trades? And whenever I take a trade, the market respects my zones. In this video, we're going to look at 15 minutes time frame liquidity sweep strategy that I use each and every day to gain those profits. And in this video, we're going to look at how to take these trades, when to take these trades, what to follow when you are taking these entries, where are liquidity zones on 15 minutes chart, and what time frame we are supposed to be taking the entries from. Struggling to profit consistently in trading? Imagine having a proven strategy that simplifies your trades and helps you to achieve consistent results. Introducing Skills FX Trading Course, built on my personal strategy that has helped traders unlock 10,000 USD weekly. Whether you're a beginner trader, experienced trader, this course gives you the tools to master the markets with confidence. Learn step by step with actionable lessons, inclusive insights, and strategies I personally use every day. Your journey to trading success starts now. Click the link in the description or in bio and join the Skills FX community today. Skills FX, simplify, trade, succeed. So, and also those ones who want to join my free Telegram channel, this is the link that you're going to tap on, and I'll also leave it in the description below, and you can tap on the link and then join my free Telegram channel. It's free of charge, and I think you can see many people are requesting to join. It's free of charge, and you can join and start making money, guys, and start seeing how we are progressing and making more money. So without further ado, let's keep back onto our video now. So how do we trade really a 15 minutes time frame liquidity sweep strategy, and where do we start from? We very well know that the market always moves in uptrends, downtrends, and also in what we call consolidation. So when the market is consolidating, of course, it's hunting for liquidity, either up or below, and it will depend on where the market has been going to. But for now, let me show you this example. It's an example of a trade that we took just over recent, and I'll show you the screenshots of the results of this trade. But let's start and you see why I took this trade and the reasons as to why I gained more profits into this trade, guys. So this is going to be like a full strategy, but easy to understand the step by step. But you can also check into my course if you want to learn. It's easy, and those ones who can't afford my mentorship, of course, it's easy to get that course because it is having each and everything that I do in my strategy, that I take in my strategy. So this is 15 minutes chart, and it's gold, and we are looking at the trade at a market that is in an uptrend. So this has been an uptrending market, and the market is going higher highs, breaking the higher zones and showing interest in going higher highs. So what do we look at here, and what's the reason for the trades? Firstly, we are looking at an uptrending market. We are looking at an uptrending The first thing is the direction of the market. I always say that because we only have to go with the market, and we know very well in an uptrending market we only have to buy in an uptrending market. So the second thing we are going to look at will be imbalance or fair value gap. The third thing we are going to look at is order blocks, and the fourth thing that we're going to look at is liquidity zones. We can see very well that we are having an uptrend, and that's a tick for this. And what are we seeing else? It's imbalance of fair value gap. And if you want to learn about imbalance of fair value gap, I created more videos you can check in this YouTube channel and my past videos. I think imbalance and also fair value gap are there. So you can check the past videos, you can check and see that video. But it's better to get a full course and learn more than any other thing. So we're having the imbalance, we're having the uptrending market that is creating BOSs, and we know very well for the market to create a real BOS, it should be breaking the zone with a full body candlestick. And then we're having an order block. Now, we're having two order blocks, this order block and this order block. So why did I mark this order block as my main possible zone or possible buy zone? And we know very well in an uptrending market, we are only buying. So the reason as to why I only mark this zone is because we're having liquidity here. And this zone might act as an inducement zone. It might act as a trap to more traders, to retail traders. So at the end of it all, if you take a trade from here, the market might take you out and sweep the liquidity below this zone and then continue high. And the other thing that you can realize here is that we are having imbalance and also liquidity and also this unmitigated zone that the market has not yet mitigated yet. And also, yes, we are having still the imbalance, but we still have more liquidity that is created by the market. But the only thing that we have to look at the most is the direction on which we are heading to. Now, why did I mark this zone? Firstly, it's at the end of all liquidity, the internal liquidity, because we are having internal liquidity and external liquidity. Internal liquidity is the liquidity that is found inside the market when we are supposed to be sweeping it and continue to the direction where the market has been heading to. The external liquidity is the liquidity that the market is hunting in order to break the zone where it is heading to or to continue the direction where it is heading to. It might also sweep that liquidity and also change the direction by reversing. So now, what are we going to look at now? The reason as to why I did this is to show you that there is also liquidity that has been lying here and some people can't see that well at any moment. What is the next issue? The next issue is the entry. We can see that there is liquidity, but still here we are having wicks showing that we are still having more liquidity below this zone. And this is also another liquidity zone. So this is another liquidity zone that the market might come and sweep at any moment. So we know that we are having liquidity, but this is the main order block that is going to be giving us the entries or giving us the profits. So what are we going to do? The only thing that we are going to do is to first think about these two liquidities. And the other thing we are going to do is to think about the entries. We are having two types of entries. We're having aggressive entries and also we are having confirmation entries. So if you are taking unaggressive entries that I take most of the times. Now I'll have to wait for the market to come to this zone and see how the market reacts in the zone. So let's play this out and we see how the market reacts in the zone. Good. Now the market came and swept this lower liquidity. I think you can see this is the lower liquidity that the market took. And someone had to enter exactly maybe in between here or here at the end of this zone. And then you put your stop loss somewhere near there. You have to first test the waters before you go in. So you can put your stop loss somewhere here. And this is an aggressive entry. It's different from a confirmation entry. A confirmation entry is an entry that you first confirm on a lower time frame. That is 1 minute chart. Now let's see what happens into this zone and we explain more. So we had to take a trade from here, and then the trade played out like this, and I think you can see. So on my side, the last TP that we had that I gave my people was this one. Why did I give this as the last TP for now? And this one was about it was about 150 pips. I think you can see. So now it was about 150 pips. So we had to target also this zone. If someone was waiting for this zone of 260 pips, would have made a lot of money. So a lot of people don't know how to trade and they can't sit and wait for the market to hit the last TP altogether. So this day I was busy, you know, always I make trades and I hit all the TPs most of the times. So now this is what happened. When the market hit our last TP here, it had to do what? To reverse. Why did I give that? Because here was another block and the market had created another BOS here, and here was imbalance. So why? The other thing was that the market had not broken the higher high here, so anything could happen. The market could create a good change of character here and start dropping for good. Why? Because it was showing all the signs of wanting to drop. So that's why we took the trade and we took only these pips. But those ones who stayed in, because I have my students who had to stay in the market, they stayed in and they took this trade. And then after, when the market reached here, this is what the market created. The market created another internal change of character. Imbalance was there. Order block was there. So this was supposed to be another buy entry that is taking you to the end of this high, or the recent high. Now, this is what happened. The market came and retested the zone, of course, in the order block, and then started moving again like that. So as you can see, those are my screenshots that I've put, and boom, this is where we did what? This is where the market ended with all the profits, and this was supposed to be giving 260 pips to those ones who stayed in the market. So I think you can see how easy and how faster this strategy is. So you have to just come into the market. You don't need any shit of saying that this is London session, this is New York session. No, it's all about waiting for the market to come into your zone or your POI. You have every confirmation, and then you take your entry. That's easy and fine. So guys, don't forget to check my course here, and it will be easy for you guys to understand more when you check this course and you follow each and everything, each and every step that I'm going to be giving you, because here are many things that you're going to look at, guys. Are many things, because I think you can see market structure, a lot of things, and how to apply the concept. Imagine even the psychology, guys, even the psychology of the market. So don't miss out these things, because they are really vital and they can build a strategy for you, and you can trade in no time, guys. Many people have used this course and they are getting good results. They are getting really good results. And I think you can see these guys are just saying once the strategy is mastered, there is no room for losses, because they know because they have tried it out for some time. So I think you can see, if you can get that course, it's going to be easy for you guys. It's going to be easy for you. So just tap on the link here in my bio, and I'll leave the link below there so that you can get my strategy. It is easy for you to understand. It is easy for you to understand, and I'm sure everything is explainable and you're going to get to it. And those ones who want to join my free Telegram channel, also, this is there for you. The room is there for you. You can join and find your friends who are making it, guys. Let's meet in another video. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel and tap the like button and share this video so that your friends also can get this information, guys. Thank you so much. Have a good time.